Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever. You see, it's morning for me. But whatever it is for you, I hope that you are doing well. I just wanted to do a quick video. With you guys. Real quick. I wanted to just kind of hang out with you guys for a little bit and organize. If you don't have this little contraption right here, definitely look for one of these. This is what it looks like, and it comes with a little lid. Okay. This is what it looks like, and I just washed these two cuticle bits, just soap water. And then it's cool because the little basket comes out, the water will drain to the bottom, and you just, get rid of the dirty water. So that's real cool. And of course it comes with a lid. Does it, lock on? No, it doesn't. Kind of just comes up and down. But I think it's a great invention. I'm just going to put this cuticle bit away so that I can use it. What am I doing for next time? That's how that goes. Doesn't go the other way. That bit I'll just put away in a moment. We're just going to organize. We're going to organize just a little bit. I started to, excuse me, to take forever, so I just started to slowly organize. So these are just bows here. This is kind of like overspill of nail art that I don't have any more room for. These are little clouds. I think that I might move these because there's not many of these, and this just takes up space. So I might move these clouds. But I have two types of, sorry guys, bees in here. I still have yet to do a little bee set. Those are little cupcakes with bunny ears. And then we have the cows there. So I wanted to organize the rest of this. I think these Hello Kitty heads I'm going to put in this long area there. I was going to put these in here, but I don't think these go. Neither do these, so I'm going to hold off on those. And then these guys I think I'm just going to empty into here. Or more. And that is going to be that for now. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be kind of moving things around, but I do think that I'm going to be removing these clouds. Where I'm going to put the clouds, I don't know. But this is just, like I said, overspill of nail art that I have received recently that I don't have space for. And until I get a couple more acrylic boxes or organizers to put, the rest of my nail art in, this is what's going to kind of help me out. I wasn't using it anymore, and so I decided, and it's, I've had this for a while, so it's not brand new, but I thought, why not use it, So again, I'm gonna move these clouds, but for now, that's what we are going to deal with. I need to clean off the top of this organizer, and yeah. I'm starting to get a lot of nail plates, or stamping plates, I should say. And I really want to try to figure out some organization for these too. I have them stored in like a box right now, but I'd love to find a different organization or storage for my nail plates, because that would be ideal. And then I already have my gold embellishments. Well, the box that houses my gold embellishments, that thing is full. So I think I'm going to need another one so that I can fit the rest of these. I love these guys. There's like arrows and really cool feathers in here. I believe there are some flowers. There are really, really tiny. I think those are feathers. Those are so small. Sorry. There's little bows in there. And then these are really cool flowers. And once I saw these, I was like, I have to get these. These gold flowers are definitely cool. So, I love these. But yeah, that wasn't much. But I am going to be, I'm going to have to start looking for some new organization kind of things or boxes to store more of my nail art, because I am running out of space. And I love my nail art collection. I love to collect nail art. Guys, if you haven't seen any of my press-ons, please go check out my shorts tab. Definitely check it out. I'm always posting there. If you don't see my videos come out when I post them, always check out my community tab. I'm always posting the videos that I upload on my community tab. So please go check that out. I am very, very interested in starting an Etsy shop. I have been kind of looking through the site and kind of seeing what other people are doing just so that I can get ideas of what I'm going to do. So I just have to figure out, prices, description. I got to learn a little bit more about the sites and learn, different things, taxes, shipping, all that stuff. And then I think that I want to open up a shop. Do I want to open up a shop? Yes. There's no questions about that. How to do it, that's where I kind of get lost. I already have an Etsy account, so I just really need to set up the sites. If anyone knows or you have experience or you have an Etsy press-on shop yourself, definitely hit me up because I'd be a beginner and I don't even know where to start. So if you have any tips, tricks, advice, definitely leave it in the comment section below and I'd be very appreciative of that. Go for the moment, but I am going to upload another video. I think that I am going to be doing my nails, hopefully. And yeah, I appreciate you watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think about my press-ons. Again, I have shown all of them in shorts, so please, go check them out. And I really want to create a Barbie set, so I think I'm going to work on that today. I think that'd be a lot of fun. While I have a day off and I have some time to kind of create, I think that would be a lot of fun. Maybe I could turn these into some sort of Barbie set. I don't know. I think, well, I've had these for a couple of weeks now. These didn't survive the storm, but I got them back on. But everything else has not budged at all. So yeah, I'll see. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, but I will figure it out. Again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.